Hello friends, welcome to Super Gadgets Pro. Today we are going to unbox two of smartphone's best friend, a case and a skin. The case is from the brand Spigen and skin is from Gadgetshieldz. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start with unboxing the Spigen liquid crystal back case. Inside the box we have the case, some paperwork and the wet wipes to clean the mobile and case. Now unboxing the skin. As usual we have paperwork, win a free skin by Gadgetshieldz. The skin and the microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's compare the Spigen case with a local case. The fit is good but the protection on the camera is zero. No protection on the camera bump. The Spigen case covers the camera bump. The buttons are working smoothly. The local case lacks in this department with mushy clicks. The access to the S Pen is hassle-free and the charging port has adequate space for the charging cable. And the skin has been applied. Let's see how it looks. The white leather skin adds leather-like texture and complements the new mystic bronze color. The crystal case is the perfect companion for the smartphone with raised lips from the front and the camera hump. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss new content by Super Gadgets Pro.